I'm Jeff Deloach, Director of Sales and Property Management with Realty Solutions. Today I'd like to talk to you about the 5 signs that it's time to hire a property management professional. Number 1, you have a lot of rental properties. Managing 1 or 2 properties is usually manageable. Once you have several properties, all of the issues that can happen at a property usually multiply right along with the number of properties that you have. So hiring a professional property management company that has a full staff of property managers, administrators, bookkeepers, etc. is usually the way to go. Number 2, lack of proximity. If you live out of state or even out of country in proximity to where your rental properties are at, this can make it extra difficult to be able to monitor maintenance and anything else that comes along with the actual property management itself. You may have to meet inspectors, residents, neighbors, you name it. Anybody could be at the property where they need someone there right away. And if you're not there to be there for any of those inspections, that can make it very, very difficult. Number 3, you just don't have the time. Managing 1 property, you might have the time to do something like that, but if you consider rental property management as a part-time job, so to speak, it can make it extremely difficult to try and manage more than 1 property if that's not your full-time gig. Even if it is your full-time gig, obviously going back to point number 1, it makes it difficult to juggle with more than 1 property. Number 4, your property is meant as an investment. If you're the type of owner that is looking to invest in real estate rather than the owner that is maybe a self-management type owner that is really looking to get their hands dirty, coordinate maintenance, they might be a general contractor themselves, anything along those lines. If you're purely the real estate investor that doesn't want anything to do with any of those items and you just want to see the income stream coming in and knowing that you have a professional firm handling all of the everyday duties and ins and outs of rental management, then that would be another reason. Number 5, you're taking part in a governmental affordable housing incentive. So Section 8, Social Security, you name it, anything like that where you're purchasing certain types of homes in an area that are part of those governmental type programs might be a good reason that you are looking to hire a property management company, because that adds several other layers to handling the everyday duties when it comes to qualifying residents, making sure that the bookkeeping is all set with the different types of items that an affordable housing agency might require, and all of the guidelines with the state that goes right along with those guidelines. So things like that are something to keep an eye on. So those are the 5 signs that it's usually time to hire a property management professional. You might be one of those, you might be all of those. So either way, we're here to answer any questions that you have. Thanks for taking the time to listen today. My email address is below if you have any other questions, and hope to hear from you soon. Thanks a lot.